Okay, people, it's Marlon Bennettt from 1millionways-to-market.com, and hopefully by now, you guys have a newfound respect for the awesome power of building an email subscribers list, or the endless possibilities of what can happen when you start to do so. And hopefully by now, you guys have gone through some of the videos, particularly inside of the Leadsleap takeover training, because in that training, I mean, you learn everything that it is you can possibly learn about Leadsleap. And that's in addition to the videos I'm doing inside of 1 Million Ways to Market. Okay, so a lot of you guys have set up your Leadsleap accounts. Congratulations, big props to you guys. And so now, guys, we're going to move down and we're going to get inside video 5, where I'm getting ready to actually open up the biggest bonus, or one of the biggest bonuses inside of 1 Million Ways to Market. Now, today, you guys get an opportunity to unlock the 1 Million Ways to Market mini marketing systems. Okay, we're gonna show you an example of what I'm gonna venture to say 75% of your lead capture page will look like. What they'll look like, and then I'm going to give you guys the share code so that you can go ahead on and actually unlock the 1 Million Ways to Market membership marketing system. Okay, because this is a membership. It's a marketing system rolled into the membership, and it's just completely filled with all types of lead magnets to really entice people to give you their name and or their email addresses so that you can get them on your email subscribers list. Remember, that's what this is all about. Okay, so guys, right below this video, in video 5, there are 2 share codes. Okay, and the best way to actually pick up these share codes, guys, is just highlight the entire caption right under this video, and then go into a blank browser. Okay, in your on your desktop, you know, preferably just go like you're gonna send yourself an email. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go over to my Gmail, and you want to highlight those share codes and just go into your email inbox like you're gonna compose an email. Okay, and then just take that share code, and then you'll see. Well, that's not it, but you'll see you'll have access to that share code when you do this that way. So let's see, can we get it out? Now, there I go, guys. I just went over to the actual lead capture page. That's okay. That's fine. You guys know how to pick up that share code. Now, this is the universal lead capture page that we're going to be using to bring people into our 1 Million Ways to Market membership, into the 1 Million Ways to Market marketing systems. It's actually a variety of marketing systems, all built around lead generation and list building. It's actually a rebrandable set of marketing systems that you can use to build your email subscribers list, your downlines, and your primary biz ops. Now, remember, guys, all of these pages, these lead capture pages, I'm going to keep them relatively simple, right? Because we just want to bring people into our list, right? We want to train them. We want to create some duplication and some replication inside of our subscribers list, inside of our downlines, and inside of our primary biz ops. And with the training, all the training that's inside of 1 Million Ways to Market, there's just no reason why we won't be able to do that, guys. So let's go back inside of 1 Million Ways to Market. And once we're back inside of 1 Million Ways to Market, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to take you guys down to the actual bridge page for your 1 Million Ways to Market marketing system. And again, you'll do the same thing when you want that share code. Just take that share code out, and you guys know how to get share codes now. And I'm just showing you guys an example. You can pick up that share code and use it for this page. This page, right, or the other page, whatever page, you know, there are several bridge pages. You can do this any way that you want. Now, this is the particular share code, right, for the 1 Million Ways, one of the 1 Million Ways to Market many marketing systems. Okay, and so I will have all of them right under. I will put the rest of them right under this actual video. And actually, as you pick up the individual marketing systems, you'll find the corresponding share codes to those marketing systems. The most important thing I want you guys to understand is when you use these systems, these free systems, by the way, And the training is built inside. There's no reason why we can build, not only build a huge email subscribers list inside of LeadSleep or any other place that you desire, by the way, downlines, and our primary biz options. This is why you want to watch this video. This is why you want to understand. I'm going to take my screen down just a little and show you guys exactly how all of these pages are designed and why. Now, number one, they're rebrandable. So you can take your particular product and services and you can actually list them over here on the right-hand side, right? If you don't want to leave them the same, that's just one option. If you already have a special report that you want to highlight inside of your people coming onto your list on your bridge pages, then you're welcome to do that. And so you can do that because you know how to go in and edit these pages out. And once you've actually gotten the lead cap, or should I say the share codes to these pages, you simply go in and you can edit these pages out any way that you want. Now, the other option is you can keep some of the bonuses and the products and services and the traffic and list building resources inside of these pages to join that particular resource, to join that particular product, that service, that business opportunity. And then you can just leave these buttons the same, and you can go in and make these affiliate links your links to the corresponding products, the corresponding services, whatever they are. But the point is, we can do it now with simplicity, ease, and speed, and we can do it with a few simple clicks of our mouse, right? And here's the beauty. A part of the beauty of what's happening in the background is we're going out and we're firing up the traffic and we're bringing people into our 1 million ways to marketing, that lead capture page, if you will. And so remember, you can build these pages out to market and promote anything you want, but there are existing products, services, all types of resources built within these pages. And so we want to keep it as simple as we possibly can. But feel free to spread your wings, get creative, and do whatever it is you want to do when you want to go out and market anything you want to market and promote with this rebrandable set of mini marketing systems inside of 1 million ways to market. Now, check this out, guys. Everybody coming onto your list are going to be able to unlock the free 1 million ways to market membership training. It's a free training. So everybody gets to unlock the training. And so as we're bringing people into our systems or onto our teams, we're unlocking some universal training. It's going to show our new team members, right? Our new teammates, new people that we're prospecting, how to get in here and fall right in and start to build their own email subscribers list inside of our businesses, right? Inside of our LeadSleep downlines or any other downline that you so choose to, you desire to build. And of course, your primary biz op, right? If that makes sense, right? So we want to make sure, right? All my LeadSleep takeover people, everybody, again, if you haven't been inside of the LeadSleep takeover training, get inside the LeadSleep takeover training, because it's just simply going to show you how to just do this stuff really simple. As if some of the videos I've been through up until now isn't enough, but you'll understand. Now, when you're ready, get this, to unlock the income stream inside of the LeadSleep takeover, you'll be able to do so. And if you've been inside of the LeadSleep takeover, you know that you can unlock unlimited $25 commissions, 4 levels deep, on everybody that you introduce the LeadSleep takeover marketing system to. There's also a corresponding LeadSleep mini marketing system for the LeadSleep takeover, which you guys will see. I'll show you where you can find that inside the 1 million ways to market membership. But just understand that what we really want to be doing is we want to keep the continuity going, just in terms of our ability to build our own email subscribers list, just in terms of our ability to build our own downlines and some of the different affiliate traffic resources and any other thing that you so desire that you want to market and promote, and particularly for your primary biz op, whatever that is. Because what you're doing is now you're providing your potential prospects and your new team members and your new teammates with the actual training that they need to go out and get the result that they want. Okay, because I can bring people into my business all day and night, and maybe a lot of you guys can too. But if our team members can't do it, what good is it, guys? We need to make sure that we are rolling simple replication and duplication into our marketing systems. And all of the mini marketing systems built inside the 1 million ways to market membership are designed to do just that. And get this, the other thing, the last thing that I want to talk about in this video is the fact that the share codes for corresponding marketing systems will be on the actual page. Now on this particular page, right, and on your particular page, right, but just for your, your original thank you page coming into the 1 Million Ways to Market membership and the many marketing systems, we instruct our potential prospects to go to this video. This is video 5 inside of the 1 Million Ways to Market membership training. And so this is just so you can pick up these initial or the share code, should I say, for these initial pages coming into the system. And then once you're inside the system, inside the LeadSleep, you can go in and you can trick these pages out to do whatever you want them to do. You can leave them alone and let them do exactly what they do, exactly as they are, as standalone list building, mini marketing systems. You really have so much latitude inside of the 1 Million Ways to Market membership, and with the 1 Million Ways to Market membership, those many marketing systems, to go out and do whatever it is you want to do, right? Again, if that makes sense. So let's get back inside of 1 Million Ways to Market one more time. I want to show you guys exactly what you should really be super pumped and excited about. Number one is the fact that you have all types of bonus resources that you can go through and use to accentuate your business. Remember, we talked about that. I'm giving you guys the share codes to the lead capture page and the thank you page coming into the 1 Million Ways to Market membership, right? That introduces our members to any of the many marketing systems they could have come through, complete with all the over-the-shoulder training. And then down here, guys, every corresponding marketing system, and this is totally optional, but when you guys are inside of 1 Million Ways to Market, you can vet the system and see what it is I'm doing, what we're doing. You can come down and just vet the other list building marketing systems. These are bonus affiliate list building marketing systems built around the same concept, built around the same universal lead capture page. Remember, we want to bring people into our list by offering them great bonuses, over the shoulder training that they can use to replicate and duplicate, and with everything that they need is actually built into the system itself. Now, Skyrocket, you guys know, is my premier list building lead generation marketing system, and so I have it listed as number 3 down here, but I just did that because it's more, and aesthetically it's better to look at when I don't have a long line of, so I just listed it as number 3. But make sure that you vet each of the systems coming through, all of the systems listed inside of your 1 Million Ways to Market membership. Now, Skyrocket, guys, let's click over to Skyrocket. Let me show you guys what we're talking about. Same thing, guys, okay? Thank you page for Skyrocket, right? We know how Skyrocket works by now, but it's the same concept. We want to give, over deliver in terms of giving people real value, giving them real resources they can use, whether they be traffic, training, resources, whether they be a PDF, whether it's a report that we can give to our list as we're building. It's going to really help our team members build their businesses even better. They're all built into the many marketing systems. And of course, the affiliate links, again, you can go in and change out any of the affiliate links that you want. And remember, I said the corresponding thank you pages and lead capture page share codes are tied into the corresponding marketing systems. And you're at liberty to click, or should I say, install any extra bonuses, any extra bonus training. You can even take your prospects to an entirely different list from an entirely different lead capture page from these many marketing systems, and thus we're able to build multiple lists, if you will, as it were, at the same time. We're able to add different traffic resources that we know our team members can go inside of and use, okay? So this is the way that I've constructed the 1 Million Ways to Market membership. And particularly when we talk about the 1 Million Ways to Market, those many marketing systems that go out and promote, quite a few business opportunities with all of the traffic training rolled in because of the 1 Million Ways to Market membership training, then it's a match made in heaven. And just to give you guys an idea, all my LeadSleep takeover people, when people opt to vet your LeadSleep takeover system, they will simply click the LeadSleep takeover tab right there, and we take them into LeadSleep, the takeover. We give them the information that they need. And we know inside that all the training's inside, right? We know that as we come in and we invite new people at a one-time $100 price point, that we're able to get paid on 4 levels, guys. Not only does admin, yourself, your sponsor, their sponsor, and their sponsor all earning $25 for everybody you're inviting to the LeadSleep takeover. Right now, we're at 121 actual members. And believe me, we just launched. I think it's over I don't want to say maybe 15 people you guys have come through, but you can see the people coming through as they're coming through their date and time stamp. You can see them. They're coming in, guys. Today is, I think the last time this is updated, today is the 17th, but you'll see this running across your screen. You'll be able to get inside and do all of the things that you want to do, all the things that you need to do, and that's in addition to building your knowledge of the LeadSleep platform, that membership with over 50 videos basically stand over your shoulder, training, instruction on the wonderful world of LeadSleep. And it's no different when you want to pass on new marketing systems, right? I know you guys are familiar with your first affiliate marketing sales system. Well, you get to plug in what you want to or join the corresponding biz ops locked into or rolled into your marketing systems and just pass it right along, guys. And remember, corresponding share codes are provided as well as lead capture pages. And at the end of the day, we're taking all of our prospects right back inside of the 1 Million Ways to Market membership, where they can get everything and anything that it is they need to fire up the traffic, which is exactly what we're going to talk about in the next video, guys. But first, we're going to cover a video of how, once you start building your list, how you can actually start sending broadcasts to that list. So stay plugged in. I appreciate you guys so very much, and I'll meet you guys on the next video.